Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, I'll show you how to print complete title on your Amazon product labels using the Label Resizer Chrome extension. Start by going to the Product Label Settings page inside Label Resizer. Make sure you've selected your correct label size for your product labels. Then find the option called Print Complete Titles, enable it, and don't forget to save. Also, make sure the Label Resizer Chrome extension is installed and active. Now head over to your Amazon Seller Central page. You'll see a Label Resizer print button right next to Amazon's default print buttons. Let's first look at the default labels generated by Amazon. As you can see, the product titles are cut off in the middle, making it difficult to know which label belongs to which item. Now let's click the Label Resizer print button. A new label is generated, and this time the full product title is clearly visible, so you can easily identify each item. It's that simple. Use Label Resizer to make your labeling workflow faster, cleaner, and more accurate.